Hi guys. My good friend Trev invited me to ride along with him in his Cobra Replica this week. He and a group of mates from the Northwest Kit Car Owners Group were off to a hill climb event at Prescott. It was a fabulous day, the weather was just lovely, and it was a perfect opportunity to see some great cars and shoot some pics. Enjoy!
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Trying to find our display area for the day at Prescott. Here we are. Just setting up and trying to find out where the others have gone. Should be at least another
good,
three.
right.
Forgot my bloody seat, didn't I? Hey?
Setting up again and some checks. A few of us booked in for the actual hill climb. There was the parade lap as well. I don't think Trevor managed to get on either. I think he booked too late or they banned him. The two Teds are on display on the Cobra. Both got pride of place. There we go. Again, I think somebody had been polishing that before they came out. Here we go. A couple of more shots of the stand. We've got the there we go, the charity buckets, obviously the flags out as well, a banner and the two charity buckets, which is probably more important than anything else really. Pretty decent spot to be fair. Now back onto some more cars. Very early Lotus this one. I can't remember the age of it. I should have made a note of it. Yeah, looking for £20,000 for this. It wasn't in great nick either. Needed a bit of work. Yeah, onto some more old classic cars. Real old classic skinny tyres, if you like that look. These Lièges were on the Bugatti terrace as well. Cracking little cars. I think these were available as a kit. One or two went up the hill climb and remarkably quick, you know, for their size, but there's no weight in them, they're so light. With Trevor trying to blag his way on to booking on for the parade lap and other laps, but yeah, I don't think he didn't manage it in the end, so I just ended up taking some more pictures of other cars. Complete mix of cars here, you know, you've got a Triumph there, you've got a Ferrari in the background. You get that close to them on the starting line. And this is Trevor trying to get into a GT40. Looks like he's collapsed there. With a couple of shots of the engine there. Probably possibly run a little bit rich. I think Steve was telling us it's going to go in front of the rolling road tube.
For diesel, doesn't it? Yeah. good about it.
Yeah, and this is the first parade lap of the day. We're further up the course there. We're just before the S's, I think. And the S's went into the semicircle and the straight finish to the line. But yeah, we're just before the S's there. Complete mix of cars. Actual course is about, I think, 1,031 metres, which is about just over half a mile, about 0.64 of a mile. From the bottom to the top it rises, it's about 200 feet, so yeah, it is steep.
Yep. Yeah.
Another interesting car we spotted, RS200 Replica. Well, I say replica, it was pretty much exact. Precise chassis, exactly the same body shell. The moulds taken from an original one. This one running the Audi 1.8T, the turbo engine. So not the same engine, so slight chassis differences at the rear. You can see there the engine being front to back longitudinal, not left to right as in the original, a completely different engine. But yeah, still plenty of power. We got to speak to the owner.
That, I finished building for them. The engine ECUs won't talk to the gearbox.
Oh, you're on the same
yeah, the other two, yeah.
All right, okay.
Yeah, it won't talk. But I'm going to have to I've been mated to the Igniton ECU.
What was it running again? What was it running again?
AD 1.8T.
Yeah. What power did you say?
293 at the wheels.
293 at the rear. There you go, Trev.
That's all right, I'll do. Built one of these. Gretton.
So yeah, quick walk around. The attention to detail of this car was just amazing. For those that know the original, you will recognise that registration number, C20MNO. Just 1 0 short of the original. That's the level of attention to detail this has gone into. Got the shot of the rear end then, but just managed to squeeze it in. As I say, engines front to back, not left to right as an original.
It's not hanging around, is it? Oh, it's that.
Nice hot rod, if that's what you're into. 4.7s. As I say, a complete mix of cars. Squeezing Trev into another car this time, the Porsche. He got the offer of being a passenger. So yeah, let's get him in there, let's get him up the track. Steve there just trying to help him in. Just putting the full harness seatbelt on there, on Trevor. It reminded me of when my boys were younger, putting them into a high chair. Up to the start. Look to the left, when that goes green, go.
So, Trev, how was that?
That was excellent. Absolutely. Over too quickly. This is where he feels me getting out.
Got the potential of pushing in or pull
It's
him
better
out.
than the GT40.
Yeah. Prescott. What an absolutely brilliant day. Some of them went for the weekend, they were there on the Friday, but then we had a problem with the car, so they left. So, into another great day, sun's out. Time to leave. There we have it, another Northwest Kick Owners Group trip out, road trip. So somewhere for the weekend, we just went for the day, and it was a full day. So keep your eye on the events page, see what's coming up. Thank you, cheers.